No, IT job is not for you. Why I am telling this? There is a reason. There are many people who have different expectations with IT jobs. So in this video, I am going to tell you there will be few people, few category people who have few traits. In fact, I will tell you 5 traits. If you have any one of them, these 5 traits, then yes, IT job is not for you. You should look for a non-IT job or any other way of earning income or source of income, but IT job is not for you. Namaste, my name is Sushmita Madhu and you are watching my English channel. If you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe. I create videos on job and career every day. Now, the first trait that I would say is if a person who does not want to upskill himself, I mean to say I want to learn one skill and my whole life I will be working in this one skill only. I do not want to upgrade. If somebody has this kind of mentality or thinking, then for that person IT job is not meant, because in IT most of the times you have to upskill yourself. If you have learned database, you definitely have to learn other secondary skills, IT skills. If you have learned coding or programming, you definitely have to upgrade yourself after 1 or 2 years of working. So IT skill or IT careers are definitely a upgrading career. If someone is very stubborn, do not want to learn, then IT job is not for them. This is the first reason. Second reason is there will be many people who say that I can't sit in one place and work for 8 or 9 hours. I cannot sit in one place for more than 1 hour. For those kind of people, IT job is not meant, because in IT employees, they will be working for longer hours sitting. It might be their home, work from home scenarios, or it can be from their office, their aisle or their desk. So IT job is a long working duration kind of job career. So people who cannot sit for more than 1 year consistently, so for them IT job is not meant. This is the second reason, second trait. The third reason is there will be lot of people who say that I can't work in a team. For those people also IT job is not meant, because in IT most of the times the people will be working in a team. They have team responsibilities, task that is assigned to a team. As a team you will be developing you will be doing software development. As a team you will be testing something. So there will be different roles and responsibilities depending on the career. So if a person who cannot work in a team, for those kind of people also IT job is not meant. This is the third reason or third trait. The fourth trait is there will be many people who has eyesight problem. They cannot continuously look into the screen and work for more than 1 hour. Their eye starts watering. They have some eye problem. For those kind of people who cannot look at the screen and work for longer duration, for those kind of people also IT jobs are definitely not meant. IT is not the right career for them. The fifth trait or the fifth reason I would say is if someone wants to become rich overnight, I mean to say within 1 month or 1 night I want to become a crorepati, job is not meant for me. I'm born for something big. This kind of mentality, I would say yes, IT job is not for them. In fact, job is not for them. They should look for some other alternatives, I can say. So these are the 5 traits I have seen. I have met people with these kind of mentality or thinking also. If someone has this kind of mentality, then my suggestion, I would say change your thinking, change your mindset and get a positive mindset kind of thing. If you want to grow in your life, if you want to earn more, then definitely you should check IT careers. There are huge number of careers in IT, from SQL to development, testing, ETL. There are many different careers in IT, and yes, most of the lucrative jobs are also in IT only, we can say. So that was all about this video. I have shared some information with you. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you have any questions, comment below. If you're watching this video for the first time, please subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon. My name is Sushmita Madhu and you're watching my English channel. Thank you so much and namaste.